Hi everyone, welcome to Software Wizardry. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to quickly create animal videos using Video Gen AI. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Signing up first. Go to the link provided in the description below. Click on Get Started, it's free. Next, select Continue with Google to create your account. Simple, right? Step 2. Creating your AI video. Now that you're in, let's create your first video. Start by clicking on Generate a Video. You can choose a template or pick blank if you want to start from scratch. In the Outline Your Video section, enter the keywords for the video you want to make. For example, make a video about birds. Step 3. Customizing your script. Next, choose the script language and the desired length of your video script. Once you're happy with your settings, click on Generate Script. You can now edit the script to your liking. You can also select a voice for narration here. Step 4. Finalizing the video. After editing your script, click Continue. Now, pick the aspect ratio for your video. You can also select the style you'd like for your video generation. Here, I'm choosing a cartoon style. Next, hit the Generate Video Script button, and in just a few seconds, your video will be ready. Step 5. Adding music and downloading. Before downloading, you can add your own music by uploading a file in the Music section. Once you're satisfied, click Download Video. And that's it. You've created a professional video in just a few minutes using AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tutorials on Software Wizardry. Thanks for watching.